Hey guys, welcome to another video. It is me, Galactic, and today we are in the new Animal Company update. As you can see, the cave has opened. We are all joyful in the Animal Company community. The timer is over, and the Shark bundle has arrived, and the T-Rex bundle has left the store. But that's all the basic stuff. If you come over here, I wanted to talk about this. My friend had given me this. Brother, what is this? I've got monsters in my stash. What the hell? What is this? No, genuinely, what is this? Am I meant to have this? I don't know if I'm meant to have this. If I can, let me know. And if I can't, I'll remove it from my stash because I don't want to give it in. But this thing, it's kind of cute. My friend Hyper gave it to me. I'll put his meta user up here. He's a cool kind of guy, you know? He's a cool dude. I think I'm gonna put him back in his place. As you can see, I made a makeshift flashlight bag with the new goop. That is not what we're here to talk about. We are here to go down to the new map, collect the goo, and get back here. And honestly, I just want to see how much a bag sells for. So, strap in. Let's get the video. And honestly, hold up. I can probably just take this bag that already has some goo in it. It'll make the video a little bit easier to set out. And we'll grab our grappler for today's special video here inside of Animal Company's new cave update. Now, let me know what y'all think about this update, because honestly, in my opinion, it's kind of... It's alright. I mean, it's not what I was expecting, you know? I was expecting more of a Armstrong cave revamp, if that makes any sense. But Animal Company, if you're thinking about doing that, that would be insane in my opinion. I would love that. What was that? I didn't know they did that. Holy crap, that scared me. You get away from me. Get away from me. I do not want to deal with that thing. Holy crap, that jump scared me like crazy. Woo! Okay. Alright, boys. Strap in. Why do I hear a spider? There's a new spider. Oh! I hate spiders. Oh, yeah. Oh! Okay, we're good. We're not good. I hate the cameras. I don't know. I'll take it. Snap a camera of the new monster, you know? Here into this little shack. Head up here. And as you can see, we have a whole new cave map to explore here inside of Animal Company. Now, if you will, we will head on right over here, into here, where we can find a good old pound Goofy Sludge Duty. I don't know. Let's see if I can get a picture of them. I don't think that's gonna... I don't think it counts as an actual monster, if you know what I mean. Woo! Nice. Eat them, my boy. I'm pretty sure 4 is what you need. Looks like we need to go back over here and collect some of the goop here inside of Animal Company. Video longer than it would have been. Cause I can't live up without y'all. I couldn't be doing this shit. My bad. I cursed. Sorry, Animal Company. Please do not move me. I, again, thought this update would have been an Armstrong cave. I can't lie. Which, in my opinion, would have been really cool. I don't know if y'all think the same, but if you could do that, add like an underground area to Armstrong Cave instead of the one we have now, that would be sick. I can't lie. It would attract some more players. Pretty sure it was like almost still in beta testing. Oh, there's some goop. All right. All right. We're gonna feed him once again. Eat my monkey ball. Eat my monkey ball. Should be one bit of goo. That should be enough. So let's get on over here and collect some of the goo here inside of Animal Company. That'd be kind of cool to figure out. Alright, we're gonna keep on collecting the goo, and as we collect the goo, I'm gonna talk to y'all about what I want to do. With my channel, I'm specifically doing this because I have dreamed of getting Drip Department since I started Animal Company. Which, Drip Department is a very special place to hold here inside Animal Company. I don't know if I can get it anymore after what I did, which was mod, but we're gonna see if this guy can eat me. Oh my god, he can! Oh, what the hell? Ew! That's sick! Yeah, I did not know he could do that until... Oh, I lost my grappler. That shouldn't be too much of a problem though, because we could just swim. But we'll get out of here to see how much a full bag of goops. Goopy goops, goopy goops, get on out of here to sell the goopy goops. Goopy goops, goopy goops, take the goop. Skip Sigma, galactic. Yippee. Wow, that is very depressing. Well, here is the song of the day. Alright. Comment down below if you knew that song. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, keep a good day, my friends. See you in the next one. Here on the Galactic VR channel for Animal Company content releases. Woo!